Okay, so now let's start. Your time starts now. Can you write the screen, Minkoy? Oh, can you connect?
Yes.
Okay, you are going to connect these words. Okay, find the words. Okay, okay. Do you understand, teacher? You are going to find these words. This one, this one, in the here. Okay, in here, in this box. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, find it and then circle it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so that is clear. So now your time start. Okay, Minkoy, your time is up. Okay? And that is okay. Maybe next time you can answer. Okay, you can find your all the words. Okay, so what teachers see is this one, ornament. Okay, and also this one, reindeer. And also this one, wreath. And gingerbread. Do you see it? And sleigh, this one. Can you see it right now?
No.
Okay. So now let's start with our lesson. Thank you for participating. Okay, so now let me share our lesson. Okay, are you having fun with our first activity?
Yes.
Minkoy? Okay, that's great. Okay, so now let's proceed with our lesson for today. Okay, so do you still remember what have we discussed last meeting?
Okay.
Do you still remember what is the lesson we have discussed last meeting or the last class we had?
Mhm.
We are talking about,
Forest.
yes, forest. We end here, the forest. We are talking about what can you see in your city, right? We're talking about this one. A lot of apples. Okay, there. Okay, the amazing orange. Okay, so which is this word? Any, a few, many, and a lot of. Do you still remember or do you remember now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now can you read this one? First, let's have a sort of review for vocabulary. What is this? Can you read this one, please?
A lake.
Mm. Next.
There is a lake.
Very good. So this is what lakes look like. How about this one?
A river.
Very good. Next.
There is a river.
Very good. How about this one?
A forest.
Can you say a forest?
A forest.
You're going to emphasize the sound of letter T. Now, can you say forest?
Forest.
Okay, next.
Um. There is a forest.
Can you say there is
There is
a forest?
a forest.
Very good. How about this one? What do you
Um.
think is this? This is an example of
This
an.
an island.
Okay, so can you say island? You are going to the sound of S here is silent, okay? You are going to read this as the S here is silent. Island. Can you say
Um.
island?
Island.
Very good. So there is an island. So this is an island look like. Okay? So when we are going to say island, okay, the water, okay, is okay. So for example, I will give you an example. So this is the sea. Okay, for example, this is the sea. Then there is land here. Okay? And then it looks like this one. So this we are going to call this an island. Okay?
Okay.
Have you been in an island, Minkoy?
No.
Oh, okay. So most of the island is a spot, okay? So maybe someday in the future you can go in an island, okay?
Okay.
So now do you understand what is island?
Um.
The island looks like this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so there is a small particle of a land, and it is in the center of the B or of the sea. Okay, it looks like this. This is an island. Even if you can see the city in here, okay, there is a city in here, but then there is a water. Okay, there is a water. Still, there is a water and boats in here. But then when it comes in here, there is a land and then water. So it's surrounded by water. When we are going to say island, the land is surrounded by water. It is just a small part of land, and then it is surrounded with water of the sea. Okay, so it is called an island. Now, do you understand?
Uh, yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now can you say, how are you going to read this one? Can you read this one, please?
An island.
Okay, can you say island?
Island.
Okay, so you are not going to read the S. Okay? Wait. Okay, please only read the I, then land. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now can you read it again?
Um, an island.
Very good. So this is how you are going to read this one. An island. Next.
There is an island.
Very good. Okay, so now let's proceed to this one. What do you think is this one?
A beach.
Yes, have you been in a beach?
Um,
Have you been in a beach?
yes.
Okay, so when we are going to say beach, this is it looks like this. Okay. So since you have been in the beach, what are you doing in a beach?
Um, I
I
I play the water.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now can you read this one, please?
There is a beach.
Very good. So how about this one?
A mountain.
A mountain. So a mountain looks like this. Okay. Do you have mountain in Hanoi? Oh, where are you?
Um,
Where do you live right now? I forget. Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi.
Okay, so is there mountain in Hanoi?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So this is the example of mountain. Okay?
Okay.
So, but in here in the Philippines, okay, I will show you what mountains look like in here. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, wait. Images. So our mountain in here looks like this. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so this what our mountains, or this is the example of mountains too. Okay?
Okay.
So now do you understand? Do you understand what is mountain, Minkoy?
Yes.
Very good. So now can you read this one, please?
A mountain.
Next.
There are mountain.
There are mountains. Can you
There
read?
are mountains.
Very good. How about this one? What do you think is this one? This is?
A hill.
Yes. Can you wait. I am going to show you the famous hill in the Philippines. Okay, mhm, the Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills in the Philippines. Okay, I will going to show you. Okay, so the chocolate hills in the Philippines look like this. Oh, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so it looks like this. Mm. Do you agree that it looks like a chocolate hills?
Yes.
Okay, so when there are times that the trees in here, oh, there is no trees in the hills, but instead a grass. So there are times that if especially it will get brown and then it will get green. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now do you understand what is hills?
Um,
So that this is heels look like and also the one that I have show you. Okay, so now can you read this one, please?
a hill.
Okay, next.
There are hills.
Okay, okay. What do you think is more beautiful? Um, a mountain or a hill? What
Um,
do you think? What what do,
mountain.
Oh, do you like mountain? I see. This one. Okay, very good. So now, okay, let's proceed or let's practice what have you learned, okay? So now, for example, you are going to, okay, answer the questions by filling in the blanks. For example, what can you see in your city? There is a river, okay? You are going to use the picture to fill in the blanks also, okay?
Okay.
Very good. So now let's start. What can you s- what can you see in your city?
There is a river.
Very good. How about this one? Is there a mountain?
No, there are.
What is
No, there
there?
are hill.
Very good. There are hills. What can you see in your city?
There is a lake.
Very good. Next, what can you see in your city?
There is a beach.
Very good. So, all of this, you got it all correct. Very good. So, keep it up, Minkoy. Okay, so now, do you have question about this one? Do you have question about this activity?
Um,
Do you have question?
yes.
Oh, what is it? Can you tell me?
I-
Can you tell me what is your questions?
What can you see our city?
Okay, what can you see in my what you're asking me what do I see in my city? Okay, so one of the things that you can see in my city is this one, the chocolate hills and also the mountains. And also in our town, I live in a small town, Minkoy, and there are a lot of trees in here. We are far from the city. There is no a lot of buildings, only houses, and then um our place is not yet that modernized. Okay, do you understand? To teacher.
Yes.
Okay, do you have questions again?
Yes.
What is it?
It, what can you see in my city?
Oh, in your city. No, I sorry Minkoy, but I am not yet um went in your city. I am not I'm not yet visiting your city. I am just visiting in just here in Philippines. I am not yet coming in your city. Okay, so now what do you see in your city? Can you share it with me because teacher is not yet going there. Can you share it with me so that I can imagine what can you see in your city?
Yes,
Okay, so what can you see in your city? What do you see? What can you
I
see?
see.
Okay, what is it?
A supermarket,
Yes. What else?
a mountain,
A mountain. Very good. What else?
a beach,
Wow, what else?
a, a forest.
Okay, and forest. Okay, Teacher Maya, our place too is we are near in forest. Okay, so now do you still have a question or we are if you have no question we are going to proceed the exercise number 3. And if still you have a question, you can tell me. Do you still have a question?
Um,
Yes or no?
yes.
Okay, yes. What is it? Can you tell teacher what is your question?
Mm, Yes.
Mm-hmm. What is it?
What can you see in my city?
Oh, you told me that what we can see in your city is mountain. Mm-hmm. Mountain, supermarket, forests, and mm, what have you told me? Is that all three? I forget um the other one. Okay? So that would be all, I think. Okay, so now can we proceed to exercise number 3?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So now we are going to have a dialogue in here. Okay, so now you are going to be Zach. Okay, you will be Zach and I will be teacher. So now let's start. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, yeah, can you say yes, teacher? I'm ready.
Yeah, teacher, I am ready.
Very good. So now let's start. Where do you live, Zach?
I live in um, C um, Sydney,
Very good.
Australia,
Can you say Australia? Aus.
Australia.
Very good. What can you see in your city?
There are many beach and a lot of island
Okay, there are many. Can you say beaches? Be-
beaches.
Very good. Are there any mountains?
Um, yes, there are. How about you? Where do you live?
I live in London, England.
What can you see in your city?
There is a river.
As there any beaches?
Can you say beaches?
Beaches.
No, there aren't.
Are there any mountains?
No, there aren't. There are a few hills and small lakes. Okay? Do you understand the dialogue?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so since you understand, let's proceed to exercise number 4. Okay, so you are going to do matching. Okay? So I am going to you are going to tell me the correct answer to each question. Okay?
Okay.
So now let's start. Can you read the question, please, and choose your answer?
Where do you live?
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
What do you think is the correct answer?
Um,
Can you circle the correct answer?
mm,
Okay. Can you encircle the correct answer, please? Very good. Can you read this one? Can you read the option 3, the correct answer?
I live in Sydney, Australia.
Very good. Next, can you read the question and choose your answer?
Is there a lake?
Okay, is there a lake?
Um,
What do you think is the correct answer? Okay, so now can you read the answer, please?
no, there isn't.
Okay, how about the question number 3?
What can you see in your city?
Okay, what can you see? What do you think is the very good? Okay, so how about, okay, so let's end with number 3. Let's check your answers. Okay, so I live in Sydney, Australia. Okay, so what makes the option A wrong is this one. Okay, I lives. Okay, and option B is I live in I'm. So the V verb in here. Okay, and also for number
Okay,
2, okay, so it is opposite because the answer is no, but then there is. Okay, she agreed that there is a lake, but then in the first phrase or the first word is he denied that there is no lake. And also this one, no, there are. Okay, it is the same, but this is plural and this is singular. The is singular and the plural is are. And also, now for number 3, what makes the letter B wrong? It is a forest. What can you see in your city? So this one is the question is not asking, okay, is not asking about forest, but then this option is not connected to the question. Okay, and also there are a forests. Okay, so it is not
okay,
okay, so there are a forest. So the missing in here is the question is there is a forest. So this one will answer the question. Okay, because option B and letter C is not answering or connected to the question. Okay, do you understand, teacher?
yes.
Very good. So now our time in Koi is up. Okay, see you next week or tomorrow. Okay?
Okay,
Okay, so now let me stop my share and wait, give me a moment. Mm, okay. And